Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you a design that I'm recreating from one of my beginner nail arts. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start out with is Light Elegance's Tart at Heart, which is this beautiful medium purple shade. We're going to paint this on all of my nails. And I got this idea from TikTok. It was from Nails by Dina is the person I had seen it from, but she created a series on TikTok called Recreating My Beginner Nail Sets, and I loved the idea, and I have done a couple that I've redone over the years anyway, so I thought I'd start my own series on this. So this is going to be Recreating My Beginner Nail Art Part 1, and I will go ahead and insert a picture of the nails I am recreating today. I did these nails in 2014. And this was on a set of press-ons, I believe I did. They're quite chunky, but the nail art itself was not bad. And I actually recreated this design from Robin Moses, so I'll insert a picture of her nails here. She was a nail tech on YouTube that has hundreds and hundreds of videos of really cool nail art, and she is one of the people that has inspired me to be doing this. So I will leave a link to her YouTube channel down below. Definitely go check her out. I don't believe she is posting anymore, but you can go back and rewatch some of her old videos. They are pretty amazing. And next we're going to take Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to use this to create an angled French tip on all of my nails. Next, we're going to go in with the nail art. So here is my palette I will be using today, these 4 colors. We're going to start out with Young Nails Giant, which is a darker green, and then also Young Nails Clash, which is more of a lime green. And I will be using Robin Moses nail art brush. This is her wand brush. I thought it was fitting if I was recreating a recreation of her nail art that I use one of her brushes. You'll have to double check, but I think she is still selling these brushes, so definitely go check them out. So I'm just taking that darker green shade and I am creating a stripe along that black line that I already made. And then I'm going to add 3 leaves, kind of alternating on sides. And this design is going to be a little repetitive since it is the same on each nail, but I feel like it looks so beautiful all the same. Once I have cured the dark green, I go ahead and take the light green and I'm just going to swirl it around and then also highlight some of the leaves. Next, I'll be taking white gel paint from Madam Glam, as well as this brush from Beetles. This set was just off of Amazon. I just needed a thicker brush to use. And I'm going to go in and create flower petals. So we're going to do 5 petals, and they're going to kind of feather out on the ends. And if you want more of a detailed in-depth on how to do these flowers, definitely go check out Robin Moses. She has this whole method and she explains it so well. Again, I learned a lot of my techniques early on from her, so you guys just go check her out. Once I have all the flowers placed down, I go ahead and take out my purple gel paint from Madam Glam, and I'm going to take it on my palette and mix it in with white to create more of a medium shade of purple. And I'm going to add some accents. We're going to start from the center of the flower and kind of feather it out, keeping the tips of the flower white. Once the medium purple is on there, I go ahead and take straight purple gel paint, and I'm just going to add the centers. So the very center of the flower is going to be this darkest purple. And finally I go in with my dotting tool and the white gel paint, and for the full flowers I'm going to add little white centers to them. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. Here's how my nails came out. I absolutely love this set. I'm so excited that I recreated this set, and I definitely need to go back and look at some of Robin Moses' old videos and recreate some more of her designs because they are absolutely stunning, and she explains it and makes it so easy, like step by step, on how to do all these cool intricate nail art. I will also put in a side-by-side of my 2014 versus my 2022 version of these nails. Definitely a lot more detailed, finer lines, and the shaping of the nails is the big one on this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you like this idea for a series, then I will continue to recreate some of my older nail arts. I think that'll be a lot of fun. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials coming out very soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!